Welcome to Advising Managing Student Cohorts. In this session, we'll explore managing student cohorts in Workday. Student cohorts bring together students who share a similar attribute. For example, you might use a student cohort to identify all students who play a particular sport that requires them to have only morning classes during their sports season. Once you create that student-athlete cohort, you can assign a specific registration appointment time for the cohort, or even reserve seats in a course section for the cohort. I'm an academic advisor, and a student I advise recently declared an economics major. I want to add the student to the cohort for undergraduate economics majors. I'll navigate to the Add Student to Cohort task. Then, I'll enter the student's name in the Student field, and from the Student Cohort field, I'll select the Undergraduate Economics Majors student group. I can choose to add the student at a later specified date or add the student immediately. I'll select As of Now to immediately add the student. I want the student to stay in this cohort until I remove them manually, so I'll select Until Manually Removed. Then, I'll select OK to complete the transaction. The alert lets me know that the student will stay in the cohort until I manually remove them. I can verify that the student was added to the cohort by locating the cohort in the Find Student Cohorts report. From there, I'll select the Undergraduate Economics Major cohort and verify that the student appears. To remove a student from a cohort, I'll return to the Find Student Cohorts report and search for the Undergraduate Economics Majors cohort. I'll search for the student and, next to the student's name, I'll select the related actions, navigate to the student cohort, and select Remove Academic Record from Cohort. This opens the Remove Student from Cohort task. Here, I'll enter the same information I entered to add the student to the cohort: the student's name, the cohort name, the remove date, and the override type. Once I'm finished, I'll select OK. In this session, we've explored how to add and remove a student from a student cohort in Workday. Thank you for taking the time to learn with Workday.